So now, what was happened? What happened in the morning? Do you think that that was coincidence and normal according to natural system? The sun was giving light and it was brightened in the day. And when I talk something regarding hiding of the sun and the freezing of the sun, then it was reversed again. And black clouds came and hid the sun. And then when I went away, I gone. Then sunlight increased, and until then now it's about 5 p.m. going to be. Now it's 4:49 p.m. 11 minutes to go to 5 p.m. From that morning time to noon time and then this time, where is the army of clouds of black? No one covering the sun. No black clouds and coming and going, coming and going. No raining, no cold weather anymore. Because that was not natural and this is not natural. Nothing is natural anywhere. Realistically, nothing is natural. Allah is doing that. But you say this is natural. Sun come, sun increase the light, clouds come and go, come and go, come and go. Then why did not it repeat from the morning? Why it stopped after I went away? Why it happened in the morning that clouds cover the sun? When I said something, then cloud started to vanish away. Then I said something, the clouds appear again. When I went away, the sun brightened again. I mean, something like that happened in the morning, and then it does not repeat itself. So no repetition means someone stopped that. No repetition means someone controlling that. Allah is obviously doing this. If your science knowledge does not work here, and you don't need to say, we don't understand how is it happening, how is it happening, how is it happening, how is it happening. Or someone is doing, Allah is doing it. Nothing to complicate in your mindset. Teach your children about the real science. That this universe and every cloud is under control of Allah. If He does not create a black cloud, nothing appears. When He creates clouds, then they appear. Simple is that. Educate yourself and educate your child and educate your country people so that all people who use their brain will enter in Islam. Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar.